In this video I will show you how to make edit like After Effects on Capcut. I don't want to take your time, so let's start the tutorial. Add song and add clips on Capcut. Also you can download the music and clips from my Telegram channel for make this edit. This is my arrangement and you should put the clips together. And these are basic things and so easy, so you can do it without any tutorial. In the first we need a smooth transition like After Effects, so go to first clip and make 2 keyframes in first and end and zoom it a little. Go to graph and copy this setting for your own clips. But in this step we need something faster graph, because this part is short clip, and just copy graph like me for little parts. Now copy for all. I wanna make video faster, for don't waste your time. Finally we need add shake, so go to effects and search blur. And add vertical blur. Go to object and click on all. Now I do something change for my effects. And I put keyframes and do some change, so copy just like me.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and
Copy it 3 times.
I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me, well then
Now go to effects and add shake, because we need movements, so copy just like me.
control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Go to effects and add shake again. Maybe you say why again, but before shake applying, we need some movements for make our shake smoother, so copy my chains. Go to effects and add rebound swing. Now copy all of effects for next clip, but be careful, don't copy blurs 3 times for little parts, just copy blur 1 time, like me.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit and the coffee ain't hit. Yeah,
Now go
damn,
to
ain't
effects
that
and
great.
add this one.
I don't wanna go to work cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that
It's
paid.
not important, you can don't add this, but it's so better if you want to add, so add it.
I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. Oh, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do?
Go to effects and add camera shake and rebound swing and copy my setting.
Let's go. Hey. Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name. Oh, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be, and do you believe you can do anything?
We are nearing the end of the video, but before that, go to adjust and make brightness with keyframes like me and copy it for all of clip, but not little parts.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and fuck all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
And finally, this is best part, and we wanna make nice overlay for little part, so go to little part and make -100 saturation for every little part.
Let's go. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring. Yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart? Are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs. Are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God, they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God, they all let me down.
Now we need this overlay. Also, you can download it from my Telegram channel. Make it save with clip. Now add fade in and fade out.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness.
This is final, guys, and you can see the result. And this is good for CapCut. Hope you like this video, and see you later.